Just a little guy, enjoying his day. He's so weak. I found him in someone's driveway and thought he was dead already. I had this like extreme urge to take a walk, and I followed it, and now I see why. He's so weak. I've got a little bit of sugar water mixed in this dish. Not all over it, just in certain spots where he can get to it. But he's so tired. He barely moves. The only time he really moved was when he was in my hands when we were going back. I don't know if he's gonna make it or not. I guess I got my wish to pet a bumblebee, but I'd like to see him be a very alive and happy bumblebee. I don't want this to be his last minutes. Poor guy. Okay, bee update. I realized after putting her on the dish that she was, or he, I think it's she, but I'm not 100%, was not responding to it even though she's like able to move. So I propped her onto a dandelion in a shady spot that was kind of hidden and let her rest, because the sugar water is meant to revive them quick like an energy drink, and if they don't want it, then they either don't need it or can't have it. So she's near a flower now. If she's just taking a nap and resting, hopefully in like 30 to 45 minutes she'll be able to do something. If not, then probably couldn't save her. But where she is now is definitely better than where she was napping, which was in the middle of a hot concrete driveway. When I came upon her, I thought she was already dead, but she was not. So now that I know that she's in a safe place, I'm going to go continue my walk, and I'm going to check on her when I get back to see if she's able to do anything. I really, really hope this ends up being an okay success story and not a I found a dying bee story, but yeah. Either way, bumblebees are so cute, and I love them. The shit I will do to get pretty photographs. I walked up through there. The road is up here, but this guy's technically posted no trespassing. So if I stay here, I'm on the farm's property, which doesn't care if I'm around. And I'm not on this guy's property, but I can still get shots of the pretty moss. So ha ha ha, take that. I'm not on your property. Booyah. If you look closely, there's a tree growing out of this tree. Super cool. Oof. We're really pushing it here. He's so tiny, but he's so cute. Some of the prettiest flowers are the small ones that I can barely photograph. Hims wears the fuzzy pants. Listen to this heckin' screaming thing. Just listen to it. Like, I'm going out for a morning walk, just try to help my anxiety, and he is convinced that it is a walk for two. It is not a walk for two. I'll take him out later, but he's gonna do a hooping and a hollering. Yeah. Now he's gonna jump up on the washer typically. Oh, are we gonna do it? Because he has to yell at me from up there. Oh yeah? Are you aware that this is a walk for one, sir? Yeah, no. Well, it's a walk for one. Sorry. I love you. The morning light is literally like a disaster for trying to take photos, so we're just gonna, yeah, see, like my shadow's in the way, so just gonna show you the wild strawberries and how cool they are. In the short amount of time that this got knocked over by a storm, maybe like, I don't know, less than a month, there's already plants like peeking through it, taking it over. That's pretty cool, I think. So, the lane that I've been walking up and down, taking photos from, the one that I wanted to forage from in the fall, some guy just stopped me and said that it's private property, like the lane that's like actually named and looks like a public road. So it looks like I won't be able to take walks there anymore, which sucks because, like I said, there's a lot of really cool nature. I've never seen that guy in my life. He might be a guy that like lives down in those houses way far down, which are supporters of the opposite political beliefs from me. And those types of people tend to love nature, but they like to keep it for themselves. Like it's property to them. It's not anything to be enjoyed. And honestly, if it were me and there were people walking up and down like a road that wasn't even near my house, I wouldn't care as long as they weren't like getting into my yard or trying to take anything. If they were just walking and taking photos, it wouldn't be a big deal. We have that a lot around here, but apparently, you know, we can't live and let live. Everything has to be owned. So with that idea, I guess I won't be walking there anymore, and it makes me sad, and I'm definitely a little shook up because I already had anxiety, went to walk to get rid of the anxiety, and now have more anxiety. So that sucks, but what can you do? Douches will be douches, I guess. I'll have to walk further in order to find nature now, but oh well. Talk to you guys later.